It's Vino, Circle of Trust, Soul Monsters, same old shit. My man survived 5 shots on the hospital bed, he died twice. Sometimes revenge is best served when the time right.
Just be patient.
You know me, paid in full, champagne over fried rice. 2021, every EP get 5 mics.
That's facts.
My youngin' selling 20s. They be dime size, they put 2 in his chest. Made his mama cry nights. What's your life like? On the run, dodging the jakes. Motherfuckers trying to get rich, all pride from 8s. What's your life like? Up, grinding for days, and even though it's tough, we gon' smile through the pain. We eatin' caviar, rest on some bosses and tatted arms. Everybody can get a shot. Fuck all this back and forth. Money bring you the power, power bring you respect. And even though I got the power, I bought me a tech. My ex-homie girl want fuck, but I didn't out of respect. And I don't know I'm no loyalty, but you know I got me some neck. I'm pitching peas, born in 87, I'm a different breed. And I knew I was like this when I was 17. Slow feet don't eat, better pick up your feet. You can't LeBron your way in this league. You better pick a team and stay there. Count 100 racks in my mama living room while she pray there. Homie got shot over some Louis O and I was on the way there. Got my red bottoms and your bitch got good fist. See the residue on the Ziploc. Not everybody know about the pain I feel. They say stay dangerous, trust every day I will. I took gambles and lost, but that's what happens when you play the field. Know how to raise my kids and raise my steel. When it's beef, better know what you stepping in, cause I'll choke you out with the same hands I fed you with. That's real shit. $1.50, stitches shit like Leatherface. Corona only met copper brick, and then you stress the cake. Nip.